Hi everyone. Okay, so this is a new subscription because you guys know I'm a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator now, right? Well, this is the Paper Pumpkin. I decided to subscribe again and to the Paper Pumpkin. It's a monthly kit and it varies on what you get, either cards, projects, little doodads, who knows. So, but you know, and I thought, you know what? I was debating whether I should show you, share with you, what should I do, you know? But then I thought, you know what? I'm going to share with you. But you know, if you guys sign up under me, great. If you don't, it's not a problem. I'm not trying to sell you anything. I just want you to see what, you know, I like kits. I personally like kits, and this is cheap. This is a cheap kit. So $19.95, and that includes shipping. This is like the details of it. And it's like super easy and super fun. I just like getting stuff in the mail that isn't bills. You know what I mean? I'm just like, I'm so over the bills, especially in California. You know, when your PG&E bill is $323, your little $19 box is going to make you happy, you know? Because it's just like ridiculous. It's just, oh, it's so expensive living here. We cannot wait to move out of state. So I have not seen this yet. I don't even know what the sneak peeks were. And I love this. This number, these numbers are awesome. They're a good size. They really are. And this will be good for my tan. Oh, look, it says today we celebrate you. Oh, let me put that right here. You guys see that? Yep. It's your birthday. Today we celebrate you. Happy birthday. That's cool. You can never have enough birthday sets. And then you get a little Stampin' dot spot. I thought they were called dots, but they're Stampin' spots. And that comes in the kit. So, okay, let's see what we get. So, I haven't bought this kit in so long. But like I said, I want to just have something fun. So, oh, neat. This is interactive. This is an interactive one. That's Bus and Cat are in here. Nope. They're tired. So, let's see what we get here. I will leave a link, but like I said, you don't have to do anything. More than likely, I'm going to put these kits together and then I'll share on my Instagram just because I like sharing. I like crafting. So, ooh, look at you get. Because you know what? I love getting my Felicity Janes. I love getting my Cocoa Daisies. I love getting the Spellbinders one. So, and now look, you get. This is my first one, so I wonder if you get this will be standard for them too. I don't know, but you get some tape adhesive. I'm sure you know what tape adhesive looks like. You get little glued pop dots. I love their pop dots. And these are little, I believe these are glue. They're like glue dots. Okay, so let's see what you get. Does it have a description? Oh, it does have a description. Oh, see, it has instructions on how to put it together. So, and you can, this is yours, you can do whatever you want. So you can either read the instructions or you can just do your own thing, which, who cares? It's yours. If you want to change the pattern, you change the pattern. So you get the little, you can do the happy 37th birthday is what it shows right here. Like you can say the number right there. I love that. That's pretty. So you get that. How many cards do you get to make? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's 6 of those. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there's 6 of those. So, and then these are envelopes. Woohoo! You get envelopes. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you get 8 envelopes. Okay. Oh, look at these are candles, aren't they? Oh my God, they're candles. How cute are those? Those are so stinking cute. And look, they have an adhesive, so you can, that's for the pop-up part, I'm sure. Oh my gosh. That's so cute. I love the candles. You get 2 sheets of those. Oh, and I see, look at how they come. Oh, neat. And so, oh wow, and look, they're already done for you. That's awesome. So you just put it together. But I think, yeah, you do that and then you push them each different ways, I'm sure. But that's so fun. I'm gonna see what they do. Okay, let's see. So you can, I'm sure you can do one like that. look at how cute. So, oh, I see. So maybe just like, you can do all of them like that. Oh, how cute is that? Okay, I like that. That's super fun. Oh my gosh, look at that. It's super fun, you guys. So you get 1, 2, 3, 4. You get 4 of that one. Oh, and you get another one. This one's also perforated. And you get 1 of those. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's 8 of those. And then look at these. Oh my gosh, look at the colors too. I love them. I love bows though. Bows are awesome. Oh man, I love that. And then these are, oh wow, these are the card bases. Yeah, these are your card bases. Look at how cute and festive that is. That is so cute. So you get 1, 2, 3, 4 of those. And then you get some of these. These are tags. So you get 6 of those. And then this is, oh, these are numbers. These are little numbers. Let me pop one out for you. So look at, oh, there they are, upside down. They blend in really well. So there's your numbers. So cool. So not only do you get the alphabet set, you get actual numbers. You get 2 of those, 2 sets of those. And then here's another card base. And you get 1, 2, 3, 4. You get 4 of those. So those 4 card bases and these 4 card bases. Oh, and look, you get more numbers. You get, oh wow, you get the blue ones, and you get the little confetti ones. Look at that. That's awesome. You get 2 sets of those also. And then you get, what are these? Okay, these are little rectangles. Cute. You get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of those. So cool beans. I like it. So this is gonna be fun. It's just fun, you know, when you can just do something and on the kitchen table and this is all you need. I like that. So because sometimes you want to craft, but you don't want to have everything, you know. You don't want to have your whole craft room next to you. So that is awesome. I love this. So that's fun. That's a good first impression for me. So I'm looking forward to next month. So awesome, guys. Anyways, I hope you guys like too. It looks like fun. All right, guys. Take care. We'll see you next month. Bye.